All right, example number 1, solve the system of equations graphically. So I have an f of x equals and a g of x equals. So remember, those just mean y. I can replace that with y equals x squared minus 2 and y equals negative 2x plus 1. So I definitely can graph. I know one of those is a line because one of those looks like your y equals mx plus b. So I'm going to start off by graphing this one first. So remember that starting point, that y-intercept is that positive 1. So I'm starting up 1. And my slope is negative 2 over 1. So I'm going down 2 and then to the right 1. Down 2. Remember, some graphing requirements. Make sure you're taking up the entire grid. So going backwards, I'd be going up 2 and then left 1. Okay, and then just go ahead, make sure you're using a ruler so that's a nice, beautiful straight line. And you can label this with the entire equation, or you can easily just call this g of x. Okay, so now for this next one, because it's weird, it's not a normal equation I'm used to, I can go ahead and plug that into my equation. It's not a linear equation. I can plug that into my calculator, My mask is a little big. So I'm going to clear out that y equals first, and then I'm going to go ahead and plug in x squared minus 2. And I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the table for some points to plot. Obviously, I'm not going to be able to plot those 14 ones, but I can plot negative 3, 7. I'm just going to jot some of these down. Negative 3, 7, negative 2, comma 2, 1, comma negative 1. You don't need to write the points down when you're doing it. You can just use your calculator. 0, negative 2. All right, I'm going to start plotting some of those. So negative 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, so right there I've already found a point of intersection. Yay me. Negative 2, positive 2, negative 1, negative 1, 0, negative 2, and then it's going to go back up and it's going to mirror that. Yeah, 2, 2, 3, 7, 1, there's my second one, 2, 2, 3, 7. And swoop, 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 swoop. Label that guy with a nice f of x, and then go ahead and just use that to state those points of intersection. So notice here we have 2 solutions, not just 1, because we have 2 points of intersection. So the first intersection point is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, comma 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there's a second solution of 1, comma negative 1. So notice we wrote both solutions and we had to write them as those coordinate points.